Hi guys, in this video, I will show you how to create a 9:16 video by using Hailuo AI. So let's get started. On the left side here, click on Create, and in here you can create your videos. However, if you want it to be 9:16, I tried two different methods and found out the best way to get this done. So the first thing I tried was actually just putting in a prompt over here where I just texted the video, and I typed in that 9:16 vertical shot of a ski slope. However, as you can see, this shot is by no means 9:16. So this is not the one we're looking for. So I found out that the best way to actually create 9:16 videos is by actually doing image to video. So if you have an image prior to starting your video creation over here, you will be able to get a 9:16 video quite easily without having to put anything in here that specifies you want a vertical video. So I put in this image over here that I just downloaded from Google. As you can see, this is a vertical image. It's a 9:16 image. And I put that in there. So I just put that into the image, the video, and the type. They wanted to become blinking. So I started blinking. And as you can see from this 9:16 video, this Hailuo actually created a vertical 9:16 video. And that's the best way to actually get it done.